Today I'll be your guide for this expedition that we're gonna have today.
It's a nature documentary about 2 different wild animals. We'll be exploring their habitats. And yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
Okay, we're gonna take you to our first animal.
It's
gonna be fun.
It's gonna be really fun.
Very fun.
Really fun.
Okay.
So, in this habitat, so here we see.
This habitat is called Bruno's backyard.
Yes. So here we see. That's a habitat.
This is a wild weeaboo.
Here we see this
he is
little boy
frolicking in the grass and acting like a stupid person.
Okay.
Let's get some close-ups on that weeaboo. Let's hope you enjoy. He is running away. As I told you, this is going to be an amazing documentary about the wild animals of Bruno and my backyard.
Okay, guys. So we're gonna continue our expedition. Come this way, everybody. First, let's get a close-up on this magestical.
Weeaboo! Weeaboo! Weeaboo!
Where are you?
Weeaboo!
Oh, there you are.
We have spotted the wild weeaboo. Come closer. Come closer. Come closer.
Okay.
Now he's acting like Genji. I don't know about that. Okay, let's get a close up. He's a staff. Please don't kill me. Hey, can you tell us some facts about this wild weeaboo?
So it will murder anything it sees, like you're looking right now. Like
Look at that.
nature.
Doesn't care about nature or anything.
Nope. And it'll just act like a complete retard. It'll just walk around, run around, and it'll just say weird stuff and appear at bad times. So we'll probably be able to see this magestical guy in our
Magestical
habitat.
creature.
Yep.
Okay, we have spotted a Jackson. Follow him. Follow him. Oh, he's running. Oh no. Oh no. Guys, I apologize for any shaking of the camera because I've never gotten this close to a weeaboo before. Please don't hurt me.
You win. You win. Come on, let's get this.
Yeah, let's go.
Keep right there.
We'll see you when we get closer to the wild Jackson.
Hello, we have a great
Yeah, we've been trying to follow this wild Jackson so we can get a close up.
Oh well, there he
And
is.
learn more. Oh,
Running.
yeah, he's in. Okay, Bruno, you follow him, and I'll guard right here. Our goal is to capture this wild Jackson, and see how he acts. Hello. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Mr. Wild Jackson, could you please? As you can see, the Jackson's nature is always to flee.
Yeah, flee from everyone.
He does not. Yeah, now he's climbing trees
Yep.
to try and avoid his predator. We're not actually.
That's his space. He marked his spot. We don't want to walk in here.
This is his mating spot. You don't want to mess with that. That's that. No, wait!
Okay.
Hello.
Okay, so here we see Jackson.
Close up on that.
In his natural breeding habitat. So,
Oh no. Looks like the weeaboo is.
okay.
Oh gosh. Oh no. I've never. As you can see, these creatures are very dangerous. You do not want to mess with these creatures.
Yeah. It's totally an honor to work with this.
And there are some mortal enemies, and you probably shouldn't have them too close to each other because it always ends up bad. Hello?
Okay.
Yeah, as you can see, that's his wild mating call.
Oh.
He likes to make like. Here, can you make that noise again? For everyone.
It's pretty dope, but I like to call it the
Woo-hoo!
Jackson.
That's what he likes. Okay. Yeah, that is a very. You do not want to hear that.
A lot.
That call when you're in the wilderness.
Where is it?
Oh no, he's running away.
Again?
He does not like attention.
Okay.
Oh
Oh.
no. Guys, run! Run, we don't want!
This expedition is it's going great. That guy just escaped from his habitat.
We're very much enjoying this expedition.
There. Oh, okay.
These animals are not tame at all.
Oh, okay.
We are performing.
I could probably take my taser out. Oh wait, this is not a taser.
That's a sword.
Don't you just off you with them, they'll attack you. And don't let them get close to me.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello? Please don't hurt us.
Please.
Oh, that's got a.
This
is his meditating pose. So.
Okay. Okay. The thing is, he's using way too much now.
Let's get a close up on that. This is his. He loves these kind of leaves. These leaves are his favorite. They make his tummy very happy. See? Oh yeah, he's definitely scared.
Oh, okay. Okay. I should probably.
I think too much watching anime can cause your brain to go dead.
Yep.
See, now he's fleeing in the other direction.
Yep. Okay, we should probably head north, I guess. Oh, okay. Oh, look. Oh.
I don't know if he's like dead or just.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. They always like to play dead.
Yep, and they'll always tell you if they actually catch your foot. Oh, okay.
He has a shank. Please don't hurt me. Please. Hey, calm down.
Calm down. Put the camera to his face. Put it down. Okay.
He's.
That is so his favorite toys. We should get back to your habitat, please. We don't need you in the.
These animals may look very cute, but they are not friendly.
Yeah.
Except for Jack.
Yeah.
This one is very ferocious.
Yeah, very.
I hope you are enjoying this video, this nature documentary.
Okay.
Whoa, chill. Hey, chill.
Oh,
gosh. See, when the wild Jackson gets mad, he makes an ear-piercing scream. Oh gosh, this is getting a little out of control.
Man. Run!
Oh no! Oh, that was very anticlimactic. I thought something would happen.
Yeah. Okay. Now they're
Bruno.
World War II.
Mr. Bruno.
Yeah.
How do you think this expedition is going?
Pretty. It was going great until they escaped both from their habitats. Now they're in the driveway. Oh,
yeah, this is getting a little. Oh no. Whoa. This is just a camera. There's nothing to be afraid of.
Totally not a killing device.
Hey, you probably shouldn't land in the street.
Yeah, in the street. There is
a car. You need to get out of
how do you say it starts to rain? Okay, it starts to rain.
Okay, guys, I think we're gonna end this documentary. We'll try it out. Peace out.